Brian Sensei here. Did you know that you can use AI to create engaging explainer videos and you don't even need any video editing skills? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an engaging explainer video simply by collecting resources and uploading them to NotebookLM. Let's check it out. To begin, open up your favorite internet browser and head on over to NotebookLM.Google. You'll find a link in the description below. Once you're here, go ahead and click Try NotebookLM. Note, you may have to sign in with your Google account in order to begin using the tools. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is click on Create New Notebook. All right, and here I have an opportunity to start providing resources for the explainer video I would like created. You can search the web here for resources that are already out there, or down here you can upload your own files and documents. These can be PDFs, images, docs, audio files, and more. You can also provide hyperlinks to existing websites out there, and you can even include links to YouTube videos. In this example, I'm going to create an explainer video for my School of Rock. So I'm going to upload files. Now I've got some existing marketing files here. I've got my About Brian Sensei's School of Rock. And so I'll be attaching this document that I've already written up, and it provides a background about the school and what the students can get out of attending my rock school. Now, I also have some branding in here that I've created. And so I'm also going to attach this image so it can be used within the video. And so I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop the About the School of Rock document right here. And you're going to see it's uploading here over on the left. And this is where my list of resources will populate. You notice here I can add more resources at the top or search for web resources here. Also up here at the top, you'll notice I can name this notebook. It's currently untitled. So I'll go ahead and click in here and give it a good name. All right. Now, what you're going to see here is a quick summary of the document that I just uploaded. And down here, I have an opportunity to type more information to add to this source. Here I have some suggestions of what I might include. And then over here on the left, you can see the document. I can click on this and I can read the original text from the document right here. Up at the top is an AI summary of the document, and I can click here to back out of it. All right, now I'm going to add that image source now. So I'll go to Add Sources here. And this time I'm going to drag and drop my School of Rock branding. And we can see now that that is uploading here on the left as well. Okay, so now I have my two resources here. There's the logo. All right, now I can continue to add more resources if I'd like, but I'm good here. Now, if I go all the way over to the right, these are the things that I can create. Maybe I want an audio overview. Maybe I want a slide deck created, a mind map, a report, a quiz, an infographic, data table, flashcards. In this case, I want the video overview. All right, here I have an opportunity to customize just a little bit. Do I want that explainer video, a structured, comprehensive overview? Or do I want something brief, a bite-sized overview to help you quickly grasp core ideas from your sources? I'm going to go ahead and go with the brief one in this example. Down here, I can choose the language. So you can have multiple various languages used in your video. Here we have the visual style, auto select, classic, whiteboard, and we have some other designs here, kawaii, anime, watercolor, retro, etc. And then here you can do your custom visual style. You just need to describe the visual style that you would like. I'm going to go with the auto select for now and just see what it comes up with. Here you can specify what the video should focus on. We'll go with the beginner focus. All right, now all I need to do is click generate. Over on the right, you're going to see that the video is being created, and this may take a while. You can go ahead and go grab yourself a cup of tea and come back, and it shouldn't be ready after too long. Okay, so it looks like the video is ready. Let's go ahead and click play. And we'll click play here.
Thinking about learning music? Let's dive into all the amazing benefits of starting out.
A lot of us dream about this, right? But the big question is, where do you even begin?
Okay, so the first step, it's not about natural talent. It's about finding the right guide. You're learning from pros who've been there. They give you the knowledge and a solid plan. They take you from the absolute basics all the way to feeling confident on stage.
All right, you've got a guide. Now, what's your weapon of choice? Let's find your instrument. Whether it's drums, guitar, bass, or your own voice, you can find what clicks.
And it doesn't matter if you're a total beginner. There's a path just for you.
Okay, so you've found your sound. Now, the real fun begins. Getting ready to perform.
This simple path makes performance feel totally achievable, not scary at all. It's about more than just hitting the right notes. It's about owning that stage. These chances to play live are where you really grow and connect with an audience. But it's not just about the music. You're also joining an incredible community. You'll be surrounded by people who just get it, you know,
Pretty cool, I like it. It looks like they went with the anime style video. All right, so I can come up here and click the more menu, and I can go ahead and download this video and use it in my various marketing publications. I can get it on my website, etc. All right, so I can close this over here, and I could continue to use the NotebookLM resources to create even more engaging products for my purposes. For example, I might want to also make a slide deck to go with these resources as well. All right, and that is how you can create an engaging explainer video using NotebookLM. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.